Okay, hello students. My name is Jonathan Kamulegeya. I'm a teacher of chemistry, and today I'm here to discuss to you a simple and very important concept in chemistry. Today we are going to discuss how to write ionic equation, because you find out that this concept is very important basically when you are dealing with practicals, because in practicals they like so much ionic equations. If you don't write ionic equation, really it will be something very easy for you. Now, to write an ionic equation, we need a series of steps, and these steps, they are basically 5 steps, and I have written them on the blackboard. The first step is going to be write a balanced chemical equation. Make sure that your equation they have given you, it is well balanced. That's the first step. The second step is going to be you put the states of symbols on each element present, on each element or compound present in that chemical equation. In this case, in chemistry, we have 4 states. Basically, we have liquids, we have the solids, we have the gases, and we have the aqueous. Those are the states we have in chemistry. We shall have liquids, solids, gases, and aqueous. Now, another step is going to be you split aqueous species into ions. In this case, since you have written a well-balanced chemical equation, identify the aqueous species. After identifying them, you split them into ions. That's what they are telling us in this step. Then another step is saying you cancel the ions that appear on both sides of the equation. Now, there are those ions which appear on both sides of the equation. You cancel them. Take them out of your equation because they are less use. They are the ions you call the spectator ions. They don't take part in the chemical reaction. They just observe and see what takes place. Then after, what you're remaining with is going to be an ionic equation. Take an example. Let's do one example and we see how to write an ionic equation. If you have sodium hydroxide plus HCl, going to give us sodium chloride plus water. We are saying here our first step was saying balance the chemical equation. Let's first make sure that our equation is balanced. I think, let's see, because sodium is 1 here, oxygen is 1 is 1 here, hydrogen 1 plus 1, that's 2, we have 2 hydrogen, Cl is 1, Cl is 1. Our equation is balanced. Then, another step was saying, we should put the symbols of state. In this case, sodium hydroxide is going to be aqueous, HCl is going to be aqueous, sodium chloride is going to be aqueous, and liquid, and what is going to be liquid. In that case, I've done my second step by putting the states of symbols in my equation. Then my other step is saying we split ions of aqueous. In this case, sodium hydroxide is going to be aqueous. I split it into ions. It's going to be sodium ion plus aqueous plus hydroxide, or aqueous plus HCl, which is H, plus Cl. It's going to give us sodium here, which is sodium, plus what's aqueous, plus Cl, plus water. Because water is a liquid, we don't split it. Is it okay? We have the sodium ions, the hydroxide ions, hydrogen ions, the Cl ions, the sodium ion this side, Cl ions, and water. Because water is a liquid, they have told us we should not split it in our equation. Then after they are saying that you cancel the ions that appear on both sides of the equation. Now in this case, my equation has 2 sides. It has the reactant side, and also has the product side. Now in this case, they want us to cancel the ions which appear on both sides, which appears on the reactant side and at the same time appears on the product side. Look, the sodium ions, they go out with the sodium ions. The Cl ions, they go out with those Cl ions. I hope there is no other ions which appear on both sides. In this case, we are remaining with the hydroxide ions plus hydrogen ions, giving us water, which can be written as H plus hydroxide ions in this case, I've written what we call an ionic equation from my molecular equation. Sometimes they may ask you to put down the spectator ions. The spectator ions are those ions which don't take part in a chemical reaction. And in this case, our spectator ions are those ions which we cancel out. And then we have sodium and dissociate. Those ones are what we call the spectator ions. They are the ions which don't take part in the chemical reaction. They just observe. Let me hope, my dear students, you have understood what we call writing ionic equation. Basically here what we need, just get these steps, master them. Then after mastering these steps, apply them in what I've done here. Let me hope you have understood. Please, feel free to share these videos to all other struggling students. Feel free to share this video to all other struggling students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.